Hello friends, I am Tanmay. Today we study MCQs of history chapter The French Revolution. So without wasting time, let's get started. So question number first. When did Louis XVI ascend the throne of France? Option A 1774, option B 76, option C 78 or option D 1773. The correct answer is option A 1774. Question number 2. Bastille was hated by all in France. Option A because criminals were kept there. Option B because political prisoners were kept there. Option C because the king lived there. Or option D because it stood for the despotic power of the king. So the answer is option D because it stood for the despotic power of the king. Let's move for next question. Question 3. For what the term old regime is used? Option A for monarchies in Europe. Option B for despotic kings in Britain. Option C for society and institutions of France before 1789. Or option D for society and institutions in Europe before 1789. So the correct answer is option C for society and institution of France before 1789. What was Tele? Option A a tax paid by the people of France to the king. B a tax paid by the church to the state. C a tax paid by the first state to the state. Or option D a tax paid by the members of the third state directly to the state. The correct answer is option D a tax paid by the members of the third state directly to the state. Move for next question. Question number 5. Which book was written by Montesquieu? Option A the Treatise of Government. Option B the Social Government. Option C the Spirit of Laws. Or option D the Republic. The correct answer is option C the Spirit of the Laws. Question number 6. Which institution sentenced Louis XVI to death? Option A court. B legislative. C executive. Or D constituent assembly. The correct answer is option A court. Next question. On what charges was Louis XVI guillotined? Option A misgovernance. B cruelty. C treason. Or D absolute rule. Correct answer is option C treason. Question number 8. By whom was the social contract written? Option A Voltaire. B Rousseau. C Adam Smith. Or D Gorky. The correct answer is option B Rousseau. Next question. Which country helped the 13 American colonies to gain their independence from Britain and why? Option A France helped because Britain was their common enemy. Option B Spain helped because Britain was their common enemy. Option C Portugal helped because they wanted to become a great power. Or option D Holland helped because they wanted to control India by defeating the British. The correct answer is option A France helped because Britain was their common enemy. Next question. Question number 10. The country that followed the principle of separation of power among three organs of government, that is the legislature, the executive and the judiciary. Option A Britain. B France. C Italy. Or D USA. The correct answer is option D USA. Next question. How many states was there in French society? Option A 1, B 2, C 3, D 4. Correct answer is option C 3. Question number 12. In which year French women got the right to vote? Option A 1945, B 1947, C 1946 or D 1948. The correct answer is option number C 1946. Next question. Who was the leader of Jacobin Club? A Maximilien Robespierre, B Saint Johns, C Montesquieu and D Louis XVI. The correct answer is option A Maximilien Robespierre. Who wrote the book Declaration of the Right of Women and Citizen? Option A Marie Antoinette, बी ओलंप द गूस, ऑप्शन सी एबेसियस, ऑप्शन डी मिराबो। द करेक्ट आंसर इज ऑप्शन बी ओलंप द गूस। What were the national colors of France? A. Blue, B. White, C. Red, or D. All of these? The correct answer is option D. All of these. Question number 16. What is scepter? Option A. Symbol of eternity, B. Symbol of unity, C. Symbol of royal power, or D. Symbol of equality. The correct answer is symbol of royal power. और फ्रेंड्स, और ये दिखता ऐसा है, ये जो पिक्चर दिख रही है ना, यही है स्केप्टर है। क्वेश्चन नंबर 17. द पीरियड फ्रॉम 1793 to 1794 इज रेफर्ड टू एज. ऑप्शन ए द रीन ऑफ कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन, बी द रीन ऑफ टेरर, सी द रीन ऑफ लुई 16, द रीन ऑफ नेपोलियन बोनापार्ट. करेक्ट आंसर इज द रीन ऑफ टेरर. हु इन्वेंटेड गुलोटिन मशीन? ऑप्शन ए डॉक्टर गुलोटिन, बी लुई 16, C. Napoleon Bonaparte, and D. Maximilien Robespierre. The correct answer is option A. Dr. Guillotine. Question number 19. In which war Napoleon Bonaparte was defeated? Option A. 100-Year War, B. The Paris War, C. The War of Waterloo, and D. The First World War. The correct answer is option C. The War of Waterloo. Question number 20. When was slavery finally abolished in French colonies? Option A 1845, B 1849, C 1846, ऑप्शन डी 1848. द और इसका आंसर है क्वेश्चन नंबर ऑप्शन डी 1848. दोस्तों ये याद रखना, ये है फाइनली अबॉलिश, फाइनली, क्योंकि एक बार और जुड़ गई थी. और अगर वीडियो पसंद आए तो लाइक करना, शेयर करना और चैनल सब्सक्राइब करना ना भूलें. थैंक यू.